Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life. And in this weekend vlog, I am just cleaning and straightening and just doing little projects to get us ready for Thanksgiving and just get the house ready for company. So I wanted to let you know that our Christmas Decorate With Us video went up on Monday. I'll put a link to that up there. And then this video is going up on Wednesday of Thanksgiving week. So that means tomorrow for you will be Thanksgiving Day and our Christmas home tour will be going live at 8 a.m. on Thanksgiving. So hopefully you'll join us for that. So let's go ahead and get started. So this morning I've been making some crock pot marinara sauce that I can freeze for several recipes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up my stove because it is a mess.
Hey, this might come out as total madness, but just wait. I really need to tell you something.
Now I'm in the master bathroom and I'm preparing a towel hook that had come off. I'm just putting some wall anchors in to hopefully get it to stay in. I'm not sure if there were no wall anchors or if they had actually been pulled through the wall. Now I'm going to go ahead and just clean the mirrors and the vanities and sinks in the master bathroom. We had already done the toilet and the shower, but I wanted to go ahead and get the counters. And now I'm cleaning our guest half bath.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed out late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me, you and Said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love.
So movie night the night before and a lazy morning and playing in the living room made for a very messy living room. So we're going to go ahead and straighten up together.
Nobody could break us here. I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby. It was you and me.
Now we're in the schoolroom and it's the end of the month, so we need to go ahead and file all the work for this month that needs to go in our portfolio. So I have Katie in here helping and Sophie is also hanging out. I just wanted to clarify that Sophie is not in timeout. I don't know what she's doing in the corner there and I didn't notice it until I was editing this video, but I guess she's just messing around. And shortly after that, Sophie decided that she wanted to do a little bit of schoolwork.
We'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby. It was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us here. I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby. It was you and me.
Now I'm outside sweeping some of the leaves off the front porch, and Gary is still doing some of the outdoor decorations for Christmas.
We'd be young forever. You taught me how to love. Nothing could be better than you and me, baby. It was you and me.
Now I'm adding some drawer dividers so I can organize my food storage container drawer.
Take me back to when it was you and me, baby. It was you and me.
And now I'm just going to clean up the supper dishes.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
And everything